Hi! In front of me is UleFone Armor 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down just a bit to access Sound. Following that, click on Vibrate Vocals and set up the best option for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. In my case, always vibrate. When you're ready, go back. Then scroll all the way down and choose Advanced. Now you need to scroll all the way down again and tap on this switcher next to Charging Sounds and Vibration to switch it off or on. Lastly, click on this switcher next to Touch Vibration to disable or enable haptic feedback for taps, keyboard, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!